I am Ghugge Rohini Madan from KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. Today I will teach you CH333 Organic Chemistry. Chapter number 1, Strength of Organic Acid and Bases. Now first we will discuss the general properties of acids and bases. Acid produce the H plus ions in water. Next, produce a negative ion, sour in taste, corrode metals, reacts with bases to form salts and water. Next, the general properties of bases. Base produce the OH minus ions in water. Taste like bitter and chalky. Function as electrolytes, feel soapy, spillery. Reacts with acid to form salts and water. Next, the definition of acids and bases. First, Arrhenius concepts only in water. Acid is a substance which produces the H plus ions, and bases is a substance which produces the OH minus ions. Next is the Bronsted-Lowell theory. Acids is a substance which donate the H plus ions, and bases is a substance which accept the H plus ions. According to Bronsted-Lowell theory, it is an advanced theory because it is applied in any solvents, but Arrhenius concepts is applied only in water. Next is a Lewis theory. Acid which accept the electron pair and bases which donate the electron pair. Next is the example of Bronsted-Lowell acids and bases. First is the Bronsted-Lowell acids HA. Inorganic acids, for example HCl, H2SO4, HSO4 minus, H2O and H3O plus, and organic acid, it is a acetic acid, citric acid, formic acid, etc. Okay. Next is the Bronsted-Lowell bases. First is inorganic bases like H2O, NH3, OH minus, NH2 minus, and organic bases is methylamine, methoxide, acetone, ethylene. Next, the reaction of Bronsted-Lowell acids and bases. General acid-base reaction. Acid loss of proton and form the conjugate base, and base which gain of proton and form the conjugate acids. Okay. Base abstract this hydrogen, means gain of proton and form the conjugate acids, and acids loss of proton and form the conjugate base. Okay. Next, example of Bronsted-Lowell acids and bases, like here H2O, it is a base, and HBr, it is a acid. The lone pair of H2O abstracts or gain of this hydrogen and formation of conjugate acids, and acids loss of proton and from the conjugate base. There are two ways to predict when a proton transfer reaction. First is quantitative approach and second is qualitative approach. First, quantitative approach comparing the pKa value, and qualitative approach analyze the structure of the acids using pKa value to compare acidity. Acid dissolve in water like HA, it is an acid, and water, it is a base, it is a solvent. At equilibrium, form the conjugate base and conjugate acids. At equilibrium is equal to products divided by starting material. It is a starting material and it is a products. So K equilibrium is equal to H3O plus HA minus divided by HA and H2O. Next, the strength of acids and bases, the pKa and pKb value. H2O is always in large excess. H2O is taken particularly constant K dash. K equilibrium is equal to H3O plus HA minus divided by Ka dash and HA. Okay. So rearrange this equation. K equilibrium. Rearrange this equation. K equilibrium into Ka is equal to H3O plus HA minus divided by HA. Okay. And next, K equilibrium into K dash is equal to Ka. Ka means it is a new constant, stands for dissociation constant. Ka is equal to H3O plus HA minus divided by HA. Okay. For stronger acids, there are more dissociation. Like H3O plus A minus will be large and HA will be less. Okay. Most of the organic acid Ka is small. Like acetic acid has a Ka value is 1.79 into 10 raised to minus 5 and the pKa value is 4.76. The formula of pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. However, the strength of acid increases, Ka value increases, but the pKa value decreases. Okay. And stronger acid will have lower pKa value and weaker acids will have higher pKa value. Ka, it is a smaller number like weaker acids, and large value it is a stronger acids, but the pKa value, larger value it is a weaker acids and small value it is a stronger acids. Okay. Next, select the pKa value. Acids pKa and conjugate base. Acids HCl has a pKa value -7 and conjugate base Cl minus. Next, acetic acids has pKa value 4.8 and conjugate base is CH3 C double bond O minus. Next, it is a water has pKa value 15.7 and conjugate base OH minus. Next, it is a ethanol has a pKa value 16 and conjugate base it is a ethoxide ion. Next, acid it is a acetylene has a pKa value 25 and conjugate base it is a acetylene. ion, acetate ion. Okay. Next, it is a H2O acids. pK value, it is a 35, conjugate base H minus. Next, ammonia has a pK value 38 and conjugate base NH2 minus. Next, ethylene has a pK value 44 and conjugate base, it is a CH2 double bond CH minus. Next, it is a CH3, means methane has a pK value 50 and conjugate base, it is a CH3 minus. It is a proof that the pK value from top to bottom increases and acidity of the acids from bottom to top increases. Okay. And the basicity of conjugate base from top to bottom increases. Thank you so much for watching this video.